Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. Welcome to my weekly Forex analysis. Let's go to Euro USD. That's the monthly chart. Currently, this is the monthly candle. Of course, the candle which sets the tone for the month is this February candle, which is a green one, a strong one. So currently we are around this resistance line. The market was not able to break it. Of course, it has to happen on the closed candle. So this is not done yet. And the market has had here some important levels as this 61.80 or 50, and the market is in this area right now. The weekly candle. One second. Okay, that's the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart, I have placed the same resistance line as on the monthly chart, and you can see that the market, it looks like it's making a reversal signal at this area. Okay, so this is a little bit like an additional risk for the upward movement, because now we have a red candle on the weekly chart, and together with those previous two candles, you can describe it even as a doji evening star, considering this candle as a doji candle. Okay, you've got green candle, a small candle like a doji candle, and this is a red candle. So this looks like a reversal signal. Okay, but let's have a look on the daily. Here on the daily, this structure to the upside, we may consider it either as a finished or it's not a finished yet. Okay, so having this third wave in this area, I used to talk about it, and having A, B, C as a corrective wave, we could have an impulse to the upside and a whole structure and whole impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or alternatively the third wave ended in this area, and that's A, B, and a C. Okay, so a corrective structure, and it looks like this fourth corrective wave is respecting Fibo 50. Okay, sometimes the fourth corrective wave might be slightly deeper. Okay, but shouldn't be deeper than 50%. In some cases, it's even up to 61.80. It may go. It should not go It should not enter into the first wave. Yeah? So there's still some room for that, and as long as it's not in the first wave, you can still call it as a fourth wave. Okay, so even it can get up, fall down up to this 78.60 level. So this is also possible. But this movement looks like a corrective structure, and I was explaining it on this 1 hour chart. Okay, so this is an A, B, and this looks like a C wave with 161.80. Okay, so this is an area where the market may have finished a corrective structure and then started something new. This something new could be on the 10 minutes chart as an impulse. Okay, as 1 and 2 and 3. That's the A, B, C, and the final fifth wave. Okay, again 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for more confirmations, or if this is a first impulse to the upside from here to here. Okay, so then I could have a corrective structure in this area, and then the market starts a new impulse to the upside. This would confirm that the market is making a new highs and is moving to the upside in order to complete this structure on this daily chart, in order to reach this Fibo 100, because this was Fibo 61.80. This is actually too less for a fifth corrective, for the fifth impulse to the upside, for the final fifth to the upside. So I'm still thinking that we could even have this as a part, as a corrective structure, as an A. This could be a B, and there will be another wave as a C, as a C wave. Okay, I could even imagine this is A, B, and C. This is A. Wait, Salah, once again. This is A, B, C. This is A. What? Okay, this is the system is playing with me a little bit. The reason for that is that's the weekend. It's weekend, yeah. So it's not working. A, B, and a C. So that was a smaller A, smaller B, a smaller C. Okay, for a B wave, and then will be another move to the downside in order to complete a structure for a corrective structure for an ABC corrective structure for a C wave in more or less. Okay, so I could have, if this is right, I could have 137.80 or here at those levels 37.70. Okay, 37.60. Let's check it on the daily. On the 1 hour. What are those levels on the 1 hour? 177, 137.70, 137.60. Okay, so those are those typical levels for a second corrective wave, and then we have a third to the upside. Okay, so this is one of my scenario. Good. Let's go to the Great Britain pound, Japanese Great Britain pound USD monthly candle. Currently a red one. This one is a strong one. I mean, relatively strong. So there might be some reactions in this area. I used to talk about it in the previous in the weeks before. So I mean, I have a B, and most probably a C wave, which may end in this area. This is also possible for a C wave to complete, reaching the FIBO 100. I mean, being equal the length of A, or a little bit shorter, or it may break this channel line. Okay, this is also possible. It may break slightly the channel line, reaching this 127.20 or around those levels. They're very typical for a C wave. Okay, and if you check the 3 hours chart, that's the 3 hours. On the 3 hours, I've got those levels. The orange one. This is an A, B, and a C. And this C wave looks like it might be completed already. Okay, it might be already completed. Okay, so the market may reverse in this area here. This is possible. Although we have, I think, a strong red candle on the weekly. So okay, it may need some time to reverse, but one should think about it. This is one scenario. Of course, the another scenario will be that the market will need a deeper C wave, okay, which will go down to this A wave. Okay, so in this case, the stronger weekly candle, a red candle, will help to put this market more to the downside. Okay, so those are my scenarios. And let's have a look on the gold market. On this side, the gold market, the monthly chart. I haven't changed anything regarding gold. I mean, my scenario was saying that okay, there's an A, B, C, and the final fifth to the downside. And this is pretty much what is happening on this 12-hour chart. I was talking about last week. I said, okay, we may have a reversal in this area because of this 161.80 level, and you can see this is a very, very typical reversal signal for on candles. I think it's 2 crows reversal signal. Okay, so this candle gapped to the upside, and another one closed the gap, and the market went to the downside. And this was a very strong reversal signal. But as you can see, the market has respected this reversal and went to the downside. So there could be a corrective structure now here in this area, because the market may make some corrective movements. Let's check it that way. Okay, if we have a top here for the third wave, we have, that's the question is where's the beginning of the third wave? Either here, yeah, that is, or it was here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, it's, I mean, we could even have 1 2. This is 1 2 extended third for the third wave. This is the fourth and the 5, so the third will be completed. I will have a look on that, and if I have something for that, I will publish it on the Google Plus, on the Google Plus account. Okay, let's go to the Japanese yen now. On Great Britain pound, Japanese yen monthly situation. There's not much to say about it. I mean, this is pretty much what I used to say. Okay, there was a strong reversal. The previous candle, the green one, was not able to break through the red one, and now the current one is around the midway of the green candle. Yeah, so this is a little bit a tricky area. So one should be a little bit more cautious regarding that situation. On the weekly chart, there is a doji on the weekly. Okay, and we had a signal for this. I mean, I've sent 2 signals for this position on Friday. One of them developed very nicely and hit the take profit on for the other one. I'm talking about those 2 signals sent last Friday. The first one, sell stop, went smoothly, very nice, hitting the take profit straight away. And the other one, I sent another one, additional one, needed some more time, and finally I've closed it. I mean, I've updated the TP0 level, okay, which says, okay, it's better to close the position, or it's better to move your stop loss to the break-even point, because of this weekly situation. Because I was thinking about having a doji on the weekly chart, and this is above Bollinger Middle Band. The doji candle says, okay, indecision, so there are some issues around this level. And I explained in one of my videos that we may have a ABC structure on the 6-hour chart, and considering in that way, we could have 1 2 3. That was everything explained, so I'm not going to talk about it once again. A, B, and C. And then the market may make another move to the upside. So this is one of my scenarios, okay, which will allow this market on the daily chart to complete this final 5th wave a bit higher, okay, maybe reaching even 175. So that's the one point. The other point is more on the 3-hour chart, and should this market completed this C wave as A, B, and C. This is what I've shown on the Google Plus account, commenting and commenting this situation. So and should the market break this low here, those lows here, I mean that low, so one should consider it as an actually an A and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5 as an impulse to the downside. Okay, but still. Considering the weekly situation, we still may have an A, then a B, then a C. Okay, so this is pretty much my scenario for this Great Britain pound Japanese yen. Good. Let's go to the next currency pair I like to trade. This is the Euro Japanese yen monthly. Okay, that's the candle with the upper shadow at the moment. This was a strong reversal signal. If we check the weekly chart, there is a doji on the weekly again. This was a relative strong candle above the Bollinger Middle Band, and those are within this candle still. Okay, and this on this daily chart, I used to have it on the 2 days chart because it's more visible on this 2 days, but if you take it 1 day or 2 days, doesn't matter. I mean, okay, what is, maybe let's talk about this first. This is a support line on a daily chart, which is broken actually. which is broken by that candle. So the Bollinger Middle Band is broken, and this is broken. The issue is that the market has a moving average 100 and at this area. Okay, so the market was not able to break through this moving average 100, and sometimes the traders consider it as still as an upward trend as long as it's above the daily. It's above, sorry, the moving average 100 in this case. Okay, so this is above the moving average 100 on the daily chart, and this is of course above moving average 100 on the weekly chart as well. So they consider it still as an upward trend. So this could be an issue. But okay. Yeah, let's go back to this 2 days chart, and I'm asking myself whether we'll have a diagonal in this area here. Okay, three ways. Okay, 5 times three ways, 5 times three-way structure. Okay, which will give us a kind of impulsive wave, and not typical, as said, a diagonal. Okay, as long as this top is not broken, this might be, I mean, this, yeah, we will see. I mean, let's put it that way. As long as this low is not broken, you can consider it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is completed, and something new will start. Okay, but should this low be broken, so there must be something else. There will be something else. Okay, it's pretty much what one can say about it at the moment. Yeah. So let's check the 3 hours chart. But this is. I mean, I used to talk a lot about this 3 hours chart, and at the moment, yeah, it's not that easy to predict. Very simple. Yeah, I think you have to wait. Okay, stay away and wait, or wait for a very perfect trade setup based on. It's even hard to say because the weekly is a doji. Yeah, so it can go both ways. Okay, good. Let's have the USD Japanese yen monthly. Okay, a red candle at the moment, one doji. This looks like another doji at the moment. Weekly, we've got a green candle. We had a sandwich, red, green, red, all of them at the same level. This is a sandwich, as a reversal, as a signal on candles. So this is a reversal. Okay, that's why this is going up now. Went to the upside, but in my opinion, the market is making. Most probably this was an A. This is a B structure here in this area. Okay, I've already plotted those arms for a butterfly pattern. Yeah, so should we have a butterfly pattern, probably like that in this area, something like that. Okay. This would be a nice butterfly pattern. Of course, we can connect those 3 points. I mean, 1, 2, and 3, and this will be already, and this will be another one. But I think it's better to wait for this market to complete this structure. Yeah, bot pattern would be possible as well, and A, B, and C, and okay, another move. But in that case, I would prefer to have this arm. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about such a structure. This will be a first triangle. I will change the colors now. Okay, let's. Okay, change the color, and now I will clone it, and I will move it to that side, and I will have another one. But so I have a bat pattern, yeah, but it's not that perfect yet. Okay, so something like that. This would look better. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, so you can see that the market may need some time for this to complete. On this would be a nice pattern for a bad pattern. Okay, so this will need some more time if this will be completed, but this is another story. Anyway, in my opinion, this is a B wave developing in this area, so that's why this is a little bit tricky and more difficult to count. I had an A here, downward move as an A. This is a B, not completed yet. Okay, I could imagine that this is a bigger A, a bigger B, and a bigger C in order to give me a even bigger B. Okay, and this is on this weekly more visible. So I have this A, probably an A, B, C. Okay, a B wave, and then another C wave. Okay, so it will take some time to complete, most probably. Okay guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Should you have any questions, please contact me.